Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Arbini, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to log into Seesaw and how to complete your very first assignment on Seesaw. Seesaw is super easy to use. I know some of you might have used it last year. We're giving you just a practice assignment for this week, and then next week we will start submitting our writing and some of our math work through Seesaw as well. It's easy for me to see your work. It's very easy for you to share it. It's easy for me to give you feedback that way. So that's why we've decided to go to with Seesaw for sharing work. It's just a little bit easier than Canvas and a lot more intuitive. So I will show you how to do your first assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Seesaw, however your teacher has you do that. I'm giving my kids a link. My guess is that your teacher will do the same. And so when you're logged in, you'll be able to see this kind of box over here. And there's several different things here. Journal, that's where I see what kids have submitted. My student Calvin submitted his writing earlier. So I can see what students have submitted. I can see what any comments I've made, anything like that. What you're going to look for is this activities tab. And in the activities tab, there will be an assignment for you. It says show and tell. I'm going to read this assignment to you. It says show and tell. Choose one favorite item to share. So some kind of toy or something special that you want to share for show and tell. Tap the green add response button. So this button right here, you're going to click that and it's going to say add response. Okay, and then I can choose which student I am. I'm going to choose sample student. And I'm going to choose photo. Oh, and my camera can't come up right now because I'm recording this. But if I wasn't, a camera, my screen would come up and I would hold up my show and tell item and take a picture and it would automatically upload to Seesaw. We're not asking you to use this yet, but eventually you can do drawings in Seesaw. You can make videos. You can upload files. You can send notes and links. We will primarily use this photo component of Seesaw. So let me go back to our activities. And so I'm going to add my response. I don't have to type anything. I don't have to say anything. I can just add my picture. It says tap the check mark to add it to your journal. I can't show you that right now because it wouldn't let me take a picture. If it had, a little green check mark would come up at the top and you just click the check mark and your picture's there and you don't have to do anything else. It's so easy. And we will use these show and tell pictures that you submit to kind of share next week during show and tell. This is really just so that you can try out Seesaw with your family. And so that next week we can really start sharing our writing and our reading and some math and some science and social studies this way. If you have any questions about signing up for Seesaw, please check your email. Your teachers have sent out your child's classroom code and the instructions to sign up. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Thank you.